It starts with a casual message, "Boss, hey, can you quickly check last quarter's sales breakdown?" Quickly, they say. You open Excel, one sheet turns into 10. There are product categories, months, channels, regions, chaos. But you don't panic, you crack your knuckles and say the magic words every analyst lives by. Let me just pivot this. Suddenly you're a data ninja, rows turn into columns, numbers align. Insights magically appear. North Zone sales dipped by 18%, mostly due to Category C underperformance. Everyone's like, how did you do that? You just smile, because deep down, pivot tables aren't just a tool, they're your superpower. And let's be honest, there's no problem an analyst won't try to solve by pivoting it. Need trend analysis? Pivot it. Revenue comparison? Pivot. Who ate the last slice of pizza? Still pivot. But here's the funny part, no matter how complex the data is, the process always sounds chill. Oh, I'll just pivot this real quick. Meanwhile, you've got nested formulas, slicers and conditional formatting exploding in the background. Analysts don't brag, they pivot. And in a world of messy numbers and vague instructions, that pivot table is the calm in the storm. So here's to every analyst out there, quietly fixing chaos, one pivot at a time, because in Excel we trust, and in pivot tables we conquer. If you love data and numbers as much as I do, then congratulations, my friend. You speak fluent analyst. Now if you're still deciphering between sum, product and average, don't worry. Your fluency will come with time. Just keep practicing those pivot tables. In the meantime, hit the like button if you're already a pro and share this with a friend who needs to see it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.